Today, we're diving into one of the trendiest AI tools shaking up the internet right now, NanoBanana AI. This tool is blowing up everywhere. TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, you name it, people are talking about it. And you might be wondering, seriously? A digital banana? What's the big deal? Well, that's where the fun begins, because NanoBanana isn't just a silly little tool. It's a whole world of fun, creativity, and even real opportunities for content creators. In this video, I'll first show you the funniest side of NanoBanana, then move into how people are actually using it for content creation, marketing, and inspiration. And most importantly, I'll reveal how you can take something this wacky and actually make viral content, and even money from it. So if you're into laughter, creativity, and a bit of serious knowledge, this video is made for you. Stick around to the end because I've got some of the wildest prompts you've ever seen. And trust me, you don't want to miss them. Alright, let's kick things off with the fun stuff. You must go to the Gemini and Google AI Studio. Now here, you can choose NanoBanana. First up is use default prompt on NanoBanana and see what's happening. I mean, who even thinks of this? But it turns into an epic cartoon or even realistic masterpiece. Next, a cat playing baseball with a banana. This one has meme written all over it. And you know memes plus cats equals instant viral content. And that's the magic. Behind all the silliness, there's creativity that sparks new ideas. That's why NanoBanana went viral so fast. If you search NanoBanana on Google, you can see a lot of fake site. The real one on Google Gemini. One of the coolest things about NanoBanana's rise is how the community fuels it. Most of the viral prompts you've seen, they actually came from random users in the comments. Someone just types in a weird idea, another person generates it, and boom, it's viral. Alright, enough goofing around. Let's get serious for a minute, because NanoBanana isn't just for laughs. You can actually use it for real creative projects. First, use YouTube or TikTok thumbnails. Imagine you're running a fun or educational channel. With just a few creative prompts, you can generate thumbnails that nobody else has. Second, creative advertising. Brands are always looking for something eye-catching. What's more eye-catching than a samurai banana or a space banana for a quirky ad campaign? Third, viral social media content. That's literally what's happening right now. People are using it to create scroll-stopping posts. Fourth, inspiration for artists and creators. Sometimes seeing something so weird, like a futuristic banana samurai, can spark serious creative ideas. For example, I even used NanoBanana to generate part of the thumbnail for this very video. So yeah, it's not just a joke. It's a real creative tool with real potential for content and even business. In addition, you have Create Cool Edit tool. You can change the color of the clothes, the background image, the hairstyle, the hair color, the eye color, and anything else you can think of. Mix different videos together, for example, kissing, dancing, but it's all very cool. Of course, remember not to do anything dangerous with it. For example, for this photo, we'll change the color of the clothes, change the hairstyle, and you can do a whole lot of cool things with it. Now you are yourself and your creativity is at your disposal. Plus, you can get help from the GBT chat for cool prompts. And that's it, folks. Our deep dive into the crazy world of NanoBanana AI. I honestly think this tool is the perfect combo. Fun, creative, and surprisingly useful. Sometimes you'll laugh your head off, other times you'll walk away with brand new ideas. Now, here's my question for you. What's your craziest prompt for NanoBanana? Drop it in the comments. I might pick your idea for the next video. And hey, don't forget, hit that like button to support the channel. Subscribe so you don't miss the next AI madness. Share this video with your friends, because let's be real, they'll love this too. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one with even crazier, weirder, and more viral prompts.